What's going on, good people of YouTube? Welcome to the channel. This is Todd with N-Power Automotive. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new filter for your HVAC system. So for your conditioner, your cabin air filter. So it's very simple on this car, and it's like a lot of other cars, so this won't be a long drawn out video, but yeah, very easy to do instead of paying the dealership to do it. I got this one on Amazon, and it was, I can't remember how much it was, but I'll put on the screen how much I paid for it. But simple to do, so let me show you how to do it. So we're going to get started with going to where the air filter is located, which is directly behind the glove box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the glove box, and then you'll see on each side you have these hinges here. Well, they're flexible. And so what you're going to do is you're going to push in this side and that side at the same time with two hands. And once you get these past this little lip here, you'll actually be able to take the whole glove box off. All right, so I've got the little spacers beyond the point on each side. So you just pull out like this, and you'll see the glove box will just fall right off the hinges back there. Now what you'll see inside is this cover here, and you can see there's kind of like a spring, a little springy clip there, and that side's solid. So this little springy clip, you just squeeze it and pull it out of the clip. So just squeeze down with your fingers right here, just pull back and it'll pop off, and then you can take it right off the hinge. And there you'll see your stock air filter there. Let's get the light a little better. Let me get it out of here, but for what you want to pay attention to is the airflow, and you'll see it's pointing down. So when we put the new one in, we just want to make sure we put it in the same direction. And slide it out. It's a pretty tight fit, so remember that when we're putting the new one in. And you'll see this one is pretty dirty. So the manual suggests to do this, I believe, at 16,000 miles. So definitely a good time to replace it. So one thing I noticed here is that I've matched them up to see that they're the same size, and they totally are exactly the same. But what you'll notice is on the one that came out from OEM, the writing is on this side, and on this one, if you look, it's actually on this side. So if you're getting this particular air filter, know that you have to turn it this way to install it, because if you look at it like this, well, actually it would be like this because the arrows are going down. But yeah, I'd have to flip it like that. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you look at how this one's coming out and what it looks like. There's the airflow down, so we got it in the right way. We're going to turn it this way since that's the position the other one was in. Just push it in there. This one actually fits better than the OEM one. The OEM one was super tight. This one fits perfectly. So then you just take your cover here, and this little tab here fits into that slot up in the corner, and then like that, and then you just push it back in. It snaps right back in this position. Then next goes the glove box. You just put it like kind of push it towards the hinges, and it'll pop on, and then you lift it all the way up to the top. All right, so I got the glove box back on, shut it, and you're good. That's it. Super easy maintenance item to do. Don't have to go to pay the dealership, do it yourself. I'll put a link to this air filter that I bought on Amazon in the description. If you have any questions, just let me know. Till the next video, peace.